I think in any company, bench is very important to build. Like in our situation, we treat our organization, or the way we build and develop our organization, as like basically you're running a Major League Baseball team. And what I mean by that is the fact that you're going to have your top producing agents, that's the major leagues, right? But you always want to have a bench. You always want to replenish with the talent that is up and coming, right? So the way we build our system is the fact that we have basically individuals that are looking to sign up with the real estate school. That's our single A players, right? Then we have individuals that just passed their exam, right? Those are going to be double A. Then we have struggling agents, the ones that are maybe closing a couple of deals here and there. They're not happy with their brokerage. They come to us, we treat them like triple A, right? And then we have top producing agents, or agents that are consistently closing 2, 3, 4, 5 transactions every single month. Those are major league players, right? And in any healthy organization, you have a combination of all of those. And our job as the leaders is to continually provide value, be the resource, but more importantly, develop those single A, double A, triple A players or agents, if you will, in becoming Major League Baseball players. But like in Major League Baseball, you're going to have some superstars, you're going to have some good players, you're going to have some average players, and you're going to also have some players that are not really doing it consistently. And that's the way we run our brokerage as well. But for the brokerage to continue to grow, and what I mean by that is for you to consistently bring on 8, 9, 10, 15 agents month over month, it cannot be just like top producing agents, right? It's got to be a combination of both. It's got to be brand new agents, it's got to be struggling agents, there are also going to be some high producing agents as well, but majority of your agents, especially in the early stages of your business development as a brokerage, the first year and a half, you're not going to have a big name. You're not going to have a big following. Most of the top producing agents are going to sit there and watch you. They're not going to be joining you right away. It's going to take some time. It takes anywhere between 14 to 20 touches to get a high producing agent to join you. Like sometimes, I'm telling you, sometimes it takes me 2.5 years to get somebody who's doing 25, 30 transactions a year to join our brokerage. Who can you bring on right away? New agents or struggling agents? And for those, you got to have a platform as well.